If you go on Amazon website and search for any kind of t-shirts, so you can find many of the t-shirts here. And you can see that these t-shirts are actually making more than $5,000 per month revenue. And the cool thing about this is that all of those sellers who are actually selling these t-shirts, they are not printing those t-shirts. They are not buying those t-shirts. They are only creating the designs, uploading designs on Amazon, and rank all of those designs on keywords which people are actually searching on Amazon. So whenever they get an order on Amazon, Amazon basically print that design on t-shirt for them and ship out to their customer. So in that way, they are actually making good amount of money every month by doing nothing. So if you also want to learn this whole process step by step, like how you can start your print on demand business on Amazon without any investment, so keep watching this video till the end, because in this video, I'm going to explain you the whole process step by step, like how you can find the ideas of t-shirts which are best selling on Amazon, how you can design those t-shirts, how you can actually sign up on Amazon merch account, and how you can start selling your products and start making money. So if you're interested in learning all about this, then stay tuned with me in this video. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on google.com right now, and here I have searched merch by Amazon. So here you can see this first link called merch.amazon.com. So when you click on this link, you will be able to see this page, and this is basically the page where you can register yourself as a t-shirt seller on Amazon. So here on this page, you can just find out all of the information, like how you can actually make money from this method. You can see that you need to upload your artwork, set a price for that artwork, and then Amazon is saying that they will print that artwork for you, they will deliver that t-shirt for you to your customer, and you can actually earn the money. So in the whole process, what you actually have to do is find out the design ideas, create those designs, upload those designs, and rank all of those designs on Amazon search engine. So when people search those t-shirts on Amazon.com and they find your t-shirt and they place the order for that t-shirt, Amazon will deliver and you will get the money. So after coming on that link, you can just scroll down and you can just read out all of that text if you want. And after reading, you need to go up and click on this sign in button. So if you click on this sign in, you will be able to sign into your Amazon Buy merch account. And then after signing in, you only need to find out the ideas, and then you need to create the artwork for all of those ideas, and then upload those artwork with a proper keyword research, so Amazon know that your artwork belongs to that keyword. So it will be easy for Amazon to show your artwork to those people who actually want to purchase t-shirt for that particular artwork. So after signing in, you just need to go on Amazon.com, and here you need to find some ideas of t-shirt which are actually selling on Amazon, having low competition and high demand. So here there are many good ways to find the ideas of t-shirt that are actually selling. For example, you can just go on Amazon and just type best selling t-shirts and click enter. So if you type this, you will be able to see these kind of t-shirt. But here you can see that these are plain t-shirt, not the slogan t-shirt or not the artwork design t-shirt. So here you need to go again and type and test different kind of keyword like slogan t-shirts for women, and if you click on that, then you will be able to see multiple kind of t-shirts. These are actually merged by Amazon t-shirt which people are actually selling. So if you see this first t-shirt, I pause my game to be here. So this is basically a simple text slogan design which a seller upload, and if someone purchases that t-shirt, so that seller will get the money. And if we go down, so we can just find many of the phrases here, many of the slogan which are best selling here. You can see that this t-shirt, this slogan says that pause, pray and proceed. So this is a super simple t-shirt, and it is actually selling for $16.99, and we can see that this listing is having 14 ratings. That means this listing is actually ranking on Amazon and actually getting orders. So in order to do your research, you can just find the help of many tools. Like you can just find the help of ChatGPT, or you can just take the help of a tool called Merch Dominator. So this is basically a free tool. If you go on Google and type Merch Dominator and sign up here, so you will be able to log in on this tool. So here you can see that on the left side, there is a product research section, there is a bestseller section, seller trends, brands and so on. So if you use this tool, so you will be able to find a lot of good t-shirts ideas which are actually selling on Amazon and having good rating, good BSR and low reviews. So if you click on this bestseller tab, you will be able to see some good t-shirt design ideas here which are selling. And if you go up, you can see that the marketplace is USA and the product type is t-shirt. And if you click on BSR, so you can actually sort them with the BSR. And if you click on advanced option, like click here, so you can just actually select the subcategories as well. Like if I click on this drop down menu, I can just find out any category like boys, baby, girls or anything I want. So if I just click on chef knife, so it will start showing me some t-shirt design regarding kitchen or chef. So if we click on search, so let's see what design we can see. So if we go down, we can only see one design. If we click on men's shop and click on search, so we will be able to see some t-shirts regarding that category. So if you go on this tool and try out different categories, different filter, like you can just change the BSR, you can just change the price range, you can just change the rating, reviews, or anything you want. So if you just play around with this, you can just find many good ideas from here which are actually best selling. You can see that, for example, if we take the example of this t-shirt, so this is basically a Hello Kitty t-shirt. The BSR is 44,000, the rating is 4.5, and we can see that it is having 16 reviews, and the price of this t-shirt is 19.99. So if we hover on this button and click here, so we will be able to see some more data regarding this t-shirt, like for how long this seller is selling this t-shirt, how much revenue he is getting, what is the marketplace, what is the price, and what is the rating. So here we can see all of the detail, like the BSR is 49,000, which is very good, and the price is 19.99, and here we can see some more details about it, like for how long this seller is selling this t-shirt, and we can see the sales graph of this t-shirt is exponentially increasing day by day. So that means it is a very good idea to sell a t-shirt like this if you want to make money. So if you go up and just copy this ASIN number here and go on Amazon and just paste that ASIN here. So after pasting the ASIN in search bar, if you click on search, so we will be able to see this t-shirt here, and if we click on the title, so we will actually land on the main listing of this t-shirt, and here we can see everything about that. Like this t-shirt is basically available for men, for women, and for youth, and there are different colors and sizes available. Like if we want this t-shirt for purple color, and if we select the size for, let's say, large or medium, so we will get this t-shirt in purple color and in medium size. So you can see that this is basically Amazon merch on demand t-shirt. So that seller has only uploaded the design once, and whenever someone ordered that t-shirt, for example for any color or any size, then Amazon will print that design on that color and that size t-shirt for them and deliver to that customer. So the seller of that t-shirt will not have to do any work like this. They only have to find the keyword, create a good design, and upload that design on Amazon merch. So let's go again on that tool and find out some other ideas as well. So here we can see that this is a very cool idea, like day drinking made me do it. So if we open that listing, and here if we go down, copy that ASIN and go on Amazon again and paste that ASIN, so we will be able to see this t-shirt on Amazon, and the title of that t-shirt is funny t-shirt. So if you just go on Amazon and type funny slogan t-shirts, so we will be able to find many other t-shirts like here which is actually having funny slogan like eat, sleep, play trumpet, and repeat. So by using this tool or by using ChatGPT tool, we can actually generate some cool ideas for t-shirt like this, and then we can just take the help of the Canva tool to create that artwork, and then we can upload that artwork. So our shirt will be live on Amazon and people can search that and people can purchase that. So for example, if we want to design a t-shirt like this, like day drinking made me to do it, so we need to go on canva.com, and here we can just type t-shirt design. So here you can see that we will be able to find many of the design template here. So let's select any template from here like this one and click on customize. So we can actually customize this template and we can just put any text we want. For example, if we go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT like please find me some funny t-shirt slogans. So here you can see that ChatGPT is finding us some slogans. So we can just copy any slogan here. Like we can see here, ChatGPT is actually generated 20 slogans for us. So we can just copy anyone, like I'm not short, I'm fun sized. So this is basically a cool slogan to be on t-shirt. So we can just copy that and go on Canva, and we can just click on edit and place it at here. So by doing that, delete that one, delete that one. So this is basically a cool design which we have just created in 1 minute. Like we have just find a slogan from ChatGPT like I'm not short, I'm fun size, and here we are having our design ready. So from Canva, we can just click on this share button, we can just click on download, so that file will be downloaded to our computer, and then we need to go on our Amazon merch account and upload that t-shirt and put the title of that t-shirt like I'm not short, I'm fun size, and then in the title and description we can just put out some other keywords. So we just need to go on ChatGPT again and paste our slogan here, and then we need to ask ChatGPT like please find me some keywords ideas for the above t-shirt for Amazon. So here you can see that ChatGPT is finding the keyword ideas, and then when ChatGPT will share some keyword ideas with us, so we can just pick out all of those keyword ideas and we can just put all of those keywords into the description, title, and bullet point. So in that way, our t-shirt design will be ranked on Amazon on all of those keywords. Like when someone types fun size t-shirt on Amazon, when someone types short people t-shirt, height humor t-shirt, funny t-shirt for women, so there will be high chances for our design to show. So when some people type this t-shirt and they will see our design and they will place the order for that particular t-shirt, so we will get the sale, Amazon will print the t-shirt, deliver to a customer, and we can actually earn money. So right after watching this video, if you follow this process and keep finding some ideas, keep designing t-shirts and keep uploading those t-shirts on Amazon Merch, so you will be able to have your own catalog of t-shirt on Merch by Amazon. And then when you're having too much t-shirts, they will be ranking on Amazon search engine. People will go on Amazon, search for t-shirt, purchase your t-shirt, and you will get the money, because Amazon is already a good platform and Amazon is having a lot of buyers who are actually willing to purchase t-shirt. So if you provide them good designs of t-shirts, so there will be high chances for you to get the sales and for them to get the t-shirt. So go there, create your design and upload your design and start making money online on Amazon Merch. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.